This half term, we've got 3 science experiments for you to be cracking on with. For our first experiment, we're going to show you how this potato can escape a maze. For this experiment, you'll need a potato with sprouts, a pair of scissors, cardboard, a shoebox, and sticky tape or glue. First, take a piece of cardboard and cut it into small rectangles. These are going to fit inside your shoebox. Now take the lid off your shoebox and secure the rectangles with tape or glue. This is going to form your maze. Next, use the scissors to cut a hole in the side of the box. Now place your potato at the start point of your maze. Put the lid back on the shoebox and place the box somewhere where the light can get in through the hole you've cut. And now we play the waiting game. Leave the box for a few days and do something fun. Watch a movie or maybe play some video games. But watch out, because that guy totally cheats. Look at him being all cheatery. After a few days, take the lid off the shoebox and you'll see that the potato has sprouted and has grown towards the end of the maze, where the sunlight is shining through. For our next experiment, we're going to show you how to make a UFO out of paper. For this experiment, you'll need a paper plane. No, wait, hang on, no, you'll need a piece of paper. We're skipping a few steps there. First, you're going to want to fold your paper in half like this. Then you're going to fold a little of your paper from the bottom. And then you're going to do it again. Now you're going to tuck this part of the paper into this part over here, so that it kind of resembles a weird little hat. Now it'll look strange, but you'll find that when you throw this through the air, it actually starts gliding like a UFO. For our next experiment, we're going to show you how the water in this bucket won't tip out if you turn it upside down. For this experiment, you'll need a bucket and water. Fill the bucket with a little bit of water. Not to the top, just about a quarter of the way up. Now take the bucket outside and start swinging it around like we've shown you here. And you'll see that the water doesn't fall out of the bucket. But make sure you don't stop midway while you're spinning the bucket, because if you do, gravity will do its thing and, well,